Hello and welcome to Amber's 3-in-1 Nutrition Consulting. My name is Amber Williams and I am your registered dietitian nutritionist. This month, the month of March, we celebrate National Nutrition Month. Woo! This is a wonderful month, not just for dietitians and nutritionists, but for everyone to learn more about healthy and nutritious foods and how we can be better, healthier, and wiser with our food choices. This year's theme is Fuel for the Future. So this week on our website, Ambers3in1nutrition.com, we're going to have a celebration every week in the week of March to talk about tips on how you can use Fuel for the Future. That is the food that you eat to fuel your body and to help you to have a healthy and happy future. Now, this is not just for you. This is for the entire family. Maybe at your workplace, you're thinking maybe we should do something to be better and to be healthier. Invite your work friends as well. Here at Amber's 3-in-1 Nutrition, we are all inclusive. We are your corporate, your community, and your personal resource to health and wellness. So we look forward to you joining us for our National Nutrition Month activities here on Ambers3in1nutrition.com. Have a wonderful day. Happy Nutrition Month!